Hi everybody, it's Oren, and I've got something a little bit different today. For most of you who've seen my work, you know that I focus on audio, video, and lighting gear for my production company. But I'm also interested in home security. I have 5 cameras throughout my house, but I had one glaring blind spot that I just couldn't find a solution for. That's in the front of the house over my garage. So when K&F Concepts reached out to me to test out their solar-powered wireless security camera, I said, let's give it a shot. So today I'll be looking at the DQ201 security camera and comparing it to my current solution. Now the opinions expressed are my own, and K&F Concepts will not be reviewing this video prior to posting. Let's start with a quick unboxing. The package includes the manual, solar panel, drilling template, USB cable, mount, and of course the camera unit. The one-piece motor and camera module includes a built-in 14,400 mAh battery with a claimed 6 months of standby use. The external antennas will connect to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, and the motor will rotate the camera 355 degrees horizontally and 120 degrees vertically for panoramic viewing. The passive infrared sensor allows for motion detection that would be triggered by a heat source like a pet or a person. The 1080p sensor has a day and night mode and a two-way microphone that allows for real-time communication through the phone app. Videos and stills can be stored automatically or manually on a micro SD card up to 128 gigabytes. This card is hidden behind a weatherized rubber door. Rain shouldn't be a problem, as the unit has an IP66 waterproof rating. Still, it's best to install the unit so the USB power cable doesn't take a soaking. Let's take a look at the app. It's pretty similar to other apps I've used for security cameras. You can name your camera, adjust various parameters such as recording length, image flip, cloud recording, motion activated capture, and sensitivity. The images can be viewed in SD or HD quality, but the frame rate is limited to 15 frames per second day or night. This keeps the bandwidth requirements low, but results in a more stuttered capture. The HD image quality is quite good both day and night, and you can pinch to zoom. Exposure is automatic, and the infrared illuminator does a really good job of lighting up the field of view at night. Panning can be done by swiping on the image or using the virtual joypad. The motion is relatively smooth, and the 355-degree horizontal pan means complete coverage for almost any mounting situation. You can also share the app with trusted friends or family members. So let's summarize. The K&F Concept DQ201 is a good value security camera with clean, sharp images both in day and night. It's got a passive IR sensor to detect bodies and trigger alerts or alarms. Installation is made much easier by the fact that the power is supplied by built-in batteries, which are kept charged by the solar panel. Wi-Fi antennas help pick up signals outside your home, and the camera has a wide range of rotation in the pan and tilt axis. Two-way audio is available, and the lag is minimal. The app is fairly intuitive, but lacking in exposure controls. As with most infrared cameras, the IR emitters can make viewing conditions difficult in rainy conditions. Dynamic range is okay, similar to a dash cam, but it's going to be hard to pick out details on reflective objects in the night. I'm going to give it a 4.5 out of 5 stars. There's room for improvement, but this is still a worthy addition to your home security system. As always, thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, please click on the like and subscribe button, and feel free to leave your comments below on what you look for in a security camera. Until then, I'll see you offline.